Hi guys, it's me again, Gurong Gala, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, tara at samahan ninyo ako manood at makinig muli sa isa na namang video ng Pamilyang Franz Rhythm. But this time, ating papakinggan at papanoorin ay si Master Franz lang. Pero bago man tayo mag-proceed sa ating video, kung bago ka lang sa aking channel, huwag mong kakalimutang mag-like, share and subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa videos ko. Kaya naman, ating pakinggan at damahin ang kantang i-cover ni Master Franz na Make It With You, na talagang nga namang pasok na pasok sa ating mga panlasa. Kaya naman, huwag na natin itong patagalin. Let's go! Lakas makasenti nung venue ni Master Franz.
Hey, have you ever tried really reaching out for the other side?
Wow.
And maybe climbing on rainbows, but baby, you're ghost. Dreams there for those who sleep.
Ang lamig.
Life is for us to keep. And if you're wondering what this all is leading to, I wanna make it with you. I really think that we could make it, girl. No, you don't know me well, and every little thing's only time will tell.
Sarap pakinggan.
But you believe the things that I do, and I will see it through. Life can be short or long.
Suabe, no?
Love can be right or wrong. And if I choose the one I'd like to help me through, I'd like to make it with you. I really think that we could make it, girl.
Galing ni Master Franz. 40 niya talaga ang acoustic. Ang lakas makarelax, ang lakas makachill ng boses niya. Lalo na pag mag-isa ka lang, sarap pakinggan ng mga kanta niya.
Dreams there for those who sleep. Life is for us to keep. If you're wondering what this all is leading to, I wanna make it with you. I really think that we could make it, girl. Wanna make it with you. I really think that we could make it, girl. Like to make it with you.
Nice one, Master. Hindi ko alam pero gandang-ganda talaga ako sa boses ni Master Franz. Alam mo yun, ibang-iba yung timpla ng boses niya. Madadala ka sa bawat lyrics na binibigkas niya habang siya ay kumakanta. Master Franz, ang lakas mo, the best ka. Kaya naman guys, kung gusto niyo pa ng ganitong content, huwag niyo kakalimutan na mag-like, share and subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga videos natin. Yun lang.